Did you know that Venice, Italy, has a secret underground river? No. 2. There are over 100 islands in the Venetian lagoon. Number 3. The Grand Canal is not actually a canal, it's a river. Number 4. Venice was built on a swamp. Number 5. The famous Venetian mask was inspired by a Greek tragedy. Number 6. The population of Venice has been declining for the past 100 years. Number 7. The Venetian Republic was the first modern democracy. Number 8. The Doge's Palace was once the tallest building in Venice. Number 9. The Rialto Bridge is the oldest bridge in Venice. Number 10. Venice has more bridges than any other city in the world. Number 11. The Austrian army occupied Venice in 1797. Number 12. Napoleon invaded Venice in 1805. Number 13. The plague of 1630 killed 1/3 of Venice's population. Number 14. The Black Death also hit Venice in 1348.